This video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Insemity.com. Insemity.com is a new malicious site. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. Insemity.com displays fake alerts which are pretty scary. These alerts tell that the computer is horribly infected and that users need to download some software. But in reality, all these pop-ups are totally fake. They are not related to any decent security software. So if you see them, simply leave that page. What I recommend you to do is immediately investigating your computer with reliable antivirus software. You can do it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and after Combo Cleaner is successfully installed, start researching and thoroughly investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.